Ki khubor ki babnya. Umentri rang ba ka jala ukan rat ki sangma ulapan pau hapo ka yeng dor bar thau an hene kasngi ba ka jinglum jingtip ha ka ba yade bat ki kam ki balaj ya ki ba ampat thung ha ki Tnat Trei kam Bapher kalong ka ba yar bat kalakal ngan bat kwa ban ai ki jingtip ki babakla hapo ka yeng ya kini ulaya thu ha ba jubab ya ka jingkali balawan ra do MLA ka seng All India Trinamool uba George Lingdo Umentri rangba ula sya bu chibun ki jingkali ha ki dukhat kaliang persya ha ka bayadai baga jingbamla bantung kam ha ki Tnat Trei kam ha ka kenta kali jingkali jong ka dorba sanrai.
We give the number as of now, which is the net of the vacancies that have arisen and the employment that has been given and recruitment has taken place, and hence this is the number as of now. So that would be the correct way. Giving a number of every year is giving the wrong picture, because then you have to give the number of the advertisements taking place. Hence, sir, it complicates a lot of things, and that question, in fact, would be even more complicated then. Hence, that's why I replied, sir, that the information is being collected, and I've already shared some of the information about more than 3,000 advertisements that are under process with the different recruitment boards.
Umentri rangba ka jala ukan rat ki sangma henin